Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to speak on few things which rich people never buy and never waste their money on. So, in today's video, you are going to learn a lot of important lessons, how you can stop wasting your money on unimportant things and the things which you don't need in your life. So I'm requesting you to watch this video till the end so that you can gain some knowledge from where you can save your money, and also like this video just in case you like some point in this video, and please share this video with your loved ones so that they can also benefit from any point in this video. So before getting into the video, I would like to tell you that I am going to explain you the low value items first, but as the video progresses I will move on to the high value items. So let's begin with today's video. My point number 1 is that you should never do impulsive buying. What do I mean by impulsive buying? Impulsive buying, in my opinion, is the buying which we do unintentionally, or we had no intention of buying a thing, but just for as a thing attracted me for the very first time, I went and bought that thing and wasted my money on. I'll explain this with the help of an example. Let's say I'm at a shopping mall and I already own few good branded watches. Let's say 3 or 4 watches are there in my wardrobe, but as soon as I rushed the mall, I saw an advertisement running that for today's only there is an offer going on that if you buy one watch of this brand, you can get 50% off flat on another watch you buy from the same brand. I had no intention of buying a watch, but still I went to that showroom and I got one watch for me and second one at the offer. I roughly spent 15 to 20,000 rupees, or let's say 12 to 15,000 rupees on that impulsive buy, which is not important to me. As soon as I rushed home, I saw that the watch is not looking that attractive to me. I just bought that watch because the offer was running on, and I'm not in need of that watch because I already own few good watches with me. So this is a kind of impulsive buying people do and waste their money upon. Just think, if you had saved your 15,000 rupees there, you could have invested that money in stock market or in FD or in any bond or whatever options are available there. So you could have saved that money, and that's why you should be mindful, you should be thoughtful before buying a thing which attracts you for the first instance. But as soon as you grab your hands on that thing seems not important to you or not that attractive to you because you just bought that thing for offer purpose, or the thing attracted you for the very first time. So just be mindful about any impulsive buying you do. Okay, so you should always be mindful where you are spending your money, and just think before buying anything for the at least I'll say 2-3 times. Think about it, that whether you need that thing or not, so you can save a lot of money in your life. Okay, next thing I will tell you that you should never waste your money upon are OTT platforms. You must be aware that before there was a lot of internet connectivity, we just used to have one cable connection at our homes where all of the family members used to stay in one room and watch TV shows or movies, whatever were going on the TV, right, on the cable connection. But nowadays there are so many OTT platforms, so many TV series, web series, and a lot more content available you can consume, correct? So if there are 4 family members in a family, everyone are owning some sort of OTT platforms, but you are unnecessarily wasting your time and money on these OTT platforms. Next time you buy a OTT subscription, just be mindful whether you need the subscription or not. I'm not telling you to cut off on all your entertainment sources, but I'm telling you that at a time you can watch just one series, right? So let's say if you are planning to watch some specific series this month, then just go and buy the plan for that OTT platform only. Don't buy all OTT platform subscription because unnecessarily you will waste your money, and also you will waste your time because you will keep scrolling on new content which you can watch and consume. So just be on track and don't waste your time and money on that. I'm personally a kind of person who is based on pull strategy. Let's say I want to watch a specific movie, let's say I want to watch Juk Juk Jio, I'll see किस OTT platform पे है, and then I will go and buy a subscription. But कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, They just buy plans of each and every OTT platform, and they will keep scrolling whole day that which show we have to see next and what's next. So you are unnecessarily wasting your time and money. So please stop this and save your money. The third area where I would suggest you to stop wasting your money on is on luxury brand clothing and accessories. So in today's world, youth is running towards brands. Why? Because they want to look cool. So in this cool looking race, their parents as well as the youth is losing a lot of money. I'll take an example. There are a lot of brands, I don't want to name few, but still, like Armani, Gucci, Versace. They are such highly priced that they are burning a hole in your pocket. I'm telling you that don't waste your money on such high-end brands. Rather than, you can also get to more affordable brands like Reliance Clothing, Big Bazaar, and most of the brands which you can see which are not that much high price but at a reasonable price. You can just go for that. And I'm telling you that any piece of clothing or any brand is not going to make you confident or financially stable in your life, but your confidence is going to. And if you are financially independent, that is going to get that confidence within you that yes, you can do this, you can do that. So in this race of showing off and being status quo, you are wasting a lot of money and you are burning a hole in your pocket. So just be mindful next time you are going to a brand just for showing off to the people. People are not going to give you money just in case you need it. You yourself are going to help you out in case you need money, and in case of a financial crisis you are going to help yourself. So just be thoughtful and don't unnecessarily blindly go and shop from luxury brands which are not going to add any sort of value in your life. So just be confident, and I must tell you that you should be confident while wearing a piece of clothing which you have purchased from street side, and you must also be confident while wearing a piece of cloth which you have bought from a mall. So that kind of confidence you need in your life, and no sort of brand is going to bring that confidence in your life. And despite all this, these things are going to just reduce your bank balance. So just be thoughtful, just be mindful next time you are going to these fancy brands. I'm not saying that don't buy brands, but you can also go for some middle price brand options, but don't go for luxury brands. There you can save a lot of money, trust me on this. Now let's move on to our next point. Don't buy a luxury car and don't spend your money on buying a luxury car. In my opinion, if you are going to buy a car for the very first time, go for the second hand car which is in a mid amount. And if you are buying a new car, just go for a normal car that is ranged between somewhere 6 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees, because in a middle class family, car is a utility and that's not a luxury. And for your kind information, the time you get a new car out of a showroom, it loses its value by 10 to 15%. That means car is a depreciating asset and car is not a appreciating asset. So that's why you should always keep in mind the value of depreciation you have to bear every year you have bought a car. So a new car loses about 20 to 30% of its value in the very first year you have bought that car. And that's why I would suggest you that if you're buying a car for the very first time, go for a second hand car, because depreciation value is considerably less as compared to a new car. And also the resale value that you can get from that car is a good amount. And you have to use the car, and you don't have to show to people. Your self-esteem or your respect is not determined by the amount or the value of the car you are owning, but that's that your actions will speak to people. So don't run in a show off race and don't burn a hole in your pocket just for showing off to people. Just be financially independent and stop wasting your amount on luxury cars. That's my point. Okay, my last point and the most important point in this video is never buy a house which is overpriced. By this I mean to say that you should never buy a house which is overpriced. You should buy a house which is moderately priced. What do I mean by this is that a price which has already gained its value will not give you that much capital appreciation, but investing in some property which can give you more capital appreciation is a good option. So let's say you are buying a house in center of a city, that is going to cost you more rather than a house which is on the outskirts of a city. So go and buy a house on the outskirts, because that is going to appreciate much in value as compared to the house which you are buying in the center of the city. And also, if you are buying a house, just check out for the deals where you don't have to pay that much amount for renovations and the interiors which are going to rip you off. And also go and buy a house where you can bargain more and you can get a good deal for you. So just don't be in a race that you have to buy a house in the center, because that is going to cost you more, and that will even do not fetch a ROI for you, return on investment, which you can earn from somewhere else by investing that amount. So you can also do a thing, you can just invest the amount which you want to plan for a house in some other investment opportunities, and you can just go and stay on rent if that's the case for you. So just be mindful of buying a house. If let's say if you are having 50 lakhs with you and you are going to search a house, then just don't search a house which is going to cost you 50 lakhs. Go for a house which is somewhere priced between 30 to 35 lakhs, and don't go for that overpriced houses, because you can earn more by investing in a property which is lower priced as compared to the properties which are highly priced today. So by this, I'm going to end this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and with this video you have earned some points which you can apply in your life and make your life easier. Just share this video with your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, and I would love to hear your suggestions and your views on this topic in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.